Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using the platform. Morgan Stanley, www.morganstanley.com, is a prominent global financial services firm offering a comprehensive suite of wealth management, investment banking, and investment management services. Their online presence at www.morganstanley.com serves as a central hub for individuals and institutions seeking financial guidance and solutions. The website provides detailed information regarding their diverse range of services, from personalized wealth management strategies for individuals and families to complex financial transactions for corporations and governments. Navigating through the site, you can explore their insights on market trends, access research reports, and delve deeper into their specific service offerings. For those interested in career opportunities, the website also features a dedicated careers section outlining available positions and the company culture. Whether you are a seasoned investor, a business owner, or an individual seeking financial advice, Morgan Stanley's website offers valuable resources and access to their extensive network of financial professionals. Their digital platform reflects their commitment to providing clients with cutting-edge tools and information to navigate the complexities of the financial world. They emphasize their global reach and expertise across various markets, showcasing their ability to cater to a diverse clientele. Furthermore, the website underscores Morgan Stanley's commitment to corporate social responsibility and sustainable investing, highlighting their initiatives in these areas. The site's user-friendly interface allows for easy navigation and exploration of the vast array of resources available, making it a valuable tool for anyone seeking financial solutions. With a focus on delivering personalized service and innovative solutions, Morgan Stanley's online presence aims to empower clients to achieve their financial goals. They showcase their history and legacy, reinforcing their position as a trusted and established financial institution. Overall, www.morganstanley.com provides a comprehensive overview of Morgan Stanley's services, expertise, and commitment to client success in the ever-evolving financial landscape. They offer contact information and various channels for communication, making it easy to connect with their team of experts. Whether your needs are simple or complex, Morgan Stanley positions itself as a partner in navigating the intricacies of finance. For more in-depth information on specific services or to connect with a financial advisor, be sure to explore the website further.